Hey guys, welcome to your 10th block-based programming tutorial. Today we're going to talk about some of the controls, being able to go through the repeat block, the forever block, as well as the wait 1 second block, or wait however many seconds you want. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is, we had 3 sprites before. I'm going to click on Sonic, and unfortunately Sonic's going to have to go. And Smiley too, we're going to delete both of those sprites. We are also going to take all of our code and drag it out here. Let's only leave when the space key is pressed, and that's found in the Events tab if you guys wanted to add that. So we're going to look at the control. So first, let's go ahead and start Scratch over here. First thing I want to drag out is the repeat. Okay, so if you want to repeat something 10 times, or let's just repeat something, I don't know, 3 times, right? You can make it do something 3 times. So if I wanted to make him glide 1 second to a random position and dragged and dropped it inside of there, this is what would happen. When the space key is pressed, it's going to repeat 3 times. It's going to glide for 1 second in random position. It's going to go through a second time and then a third time. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So when the space key is pressed, I'm going to press space. 1, 2, and 3. So he glided to a random position 3 times. If I want to change the number of times that he moved to a random position, I could go ahead and edit that. I could put anything in here though. If I wanted to make him move in a certain direction, or eventually we'll make him jump and move up and down, we can repeat that. Okay, so that's one of the controls we can use. Let's say I wanted this to go on forever though, so I'm going to drag this out. Whenever these blocks aren't connected to anything, they don't do anything, right? So I could leave that there and have no impact whatsoever on what happens over here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this in here. So when the space key is pressed forever, it's going to glide for 1 second. Let's see what happens. So he's going to glide to a random position forever and never stop. All right, and that's an infinite loop that continues to move on and on and on. So if you want to loop through a certain amount of times, you would use the repeat. If you wanted to loop through forever, you'd use forever loop. And I'm going to click the stop button. All right. Let's drag this forever loop out, and let's replace it again with the repeat. All right, so let's drag this back in here, glide 1 second random position, but now let's have it also wait 1 second. So we'll glide 1 second to a random position, it will wait 1 second, and then repeat. Glide 1 second to random position, wait 1 second, and then repeat. We'll do it 3 times. Let's see what happens. Let's click the space key. So it's going to wait 1 second, wait 1 second, and then stop. Okay, so it glided for 1 second to a random position, and then it waited for a second. So just to recap, 3 things we went through today is we went through the repeat block, the forever loop, as well as waiting. You can change however many seconds you want to wait. If you want to make that 10 seconds or 2 seconds, you could as well. In the next tutorial, we're going to talk about what's going to happen, how to make Scratch bounce if you were to hit the edge. We're going to set his rotation style using the motion blocks. We're going to finish off some of these motion blocks here at the bottom. If on edge bounce, set rotation style, and being able to set his motion. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.